there are two reactions if you don't get to sleep well at night. I feel so sleepy. I didn't get to sleep last night.
Or you feel so grumpy and you want to kill everybody because you didn't get to sleep last night.
So, it is so important to give importance to your sleep. Yes, the research says that it prolongs your life. Give yourself a good amount of sleep for 7 to 8 hours at least. It varies from person to person, but generally you need to figure out what is good for you. How much sleep is important for you. It is also said that a good amount of sleep is when you wake up in the morning without an alarm clock and you're fresh. So, next time you go to bed, relax, calm down, and think that you are doing a very important thing in your life. Don't deny the importance of this process of going into a peaceful sleep. Your body needs to recover. It needs to repair. It needs to heal. And all this is going while you are sleeping. So, sleep